Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing your study at home. Dear students, as you know that school is closed due to cold. We do care for you and your study. Therefore, to keep you updated for coming examination, I am here with a revisional video of social study. Okay students, so today we are going to a new chapter 7, a time to celebrate. Okay, today we are going to explain chapter 7. The name of your chapter, a time to celebrate. Okay students, a time to celebrate. So let's start. Let's make a rangoli. Let's make a rangoli. These things you need: crayons, a big rangoli design. Look at this picture. This picture is rangoli. Picture is rangoli. This is the picture, big size of rangoli. Okay students, so fill it color your like. Okay student, things you need. So first one, things we need, that means instrument. Okay, crayons, pencil, a big rangoli design. Okay students, crayons, pencil, eraser, sharpener and big rangoli designs. Is that clear students? How to do it? Place the design on your table. Color the design with colors of your choice. Okay, if you want, you can decorate the design with pieces of colored paper. Okay students, make your rangoli. First all of you draw your rangoli and fill it colored paper, cut your shape and paste the rangoli, paste on rangoli. Okay students, if you want, you can decorate the design with pieces of colored paper. Is that clear? Now second thing, when you are done, paste it in your notebook or pin it on your classroom display board. That means notice board, board decoration and display board. Okay students, so first let's start. Festival of a time to celebrate. This chapter is motto, Festival of Light. Do you know students, Festival of Light? Diwali, Christmas, Guru Parv and Eid. Okay students, sometimes when we celebrate a festival, we make a lot of noise. We burst crackers and play loud music. This can be distributing for people around, especially if they are old or unwell. We should celebrate in such a way that we do not trouble others. We should also festival are times when people come together to celebrate some things. Some of the important festivals celebrated in India are Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Guru Parv, Buddha Purnima, Mahavir Jayanti and Nowruz. All Indians celebrate their three national days: Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Whose birthday of Republic Day? Whose day of Republic Day? 26 January. And whose day of celebrate Independence Day? 15 August. And whose birthday of Gandhi Jayanti? Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. We also celebrate the birthday of Dr. Radha Krishna. Whose birthday of Dr. Radha Krishna? Teachers Day, 5th September. And Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. We celebrated of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Children's Day. Okay students, is that clear? Now next, come to the first explanation, word meaning. Festival, a special celebration. Festival, a special celebration. A festival is a special day when people get together and celebrate something. Okay. Now precautions, a line of people moving slowly as part of ceremony. A line of people moving slowly, a part of a ceremony. Langar, usually the kitchen of a gurudwara. There where free meals are served to all visitors. Parde, a precaution. Now next exercise, filling the blanks. Okay, next exercise, filling the blanks. On Eid, people greet each other with the words dash. Eid Mubarak, EID MUBARAK, Eid Mubarak. Okay. Now second one, on Guru Parv, Sikh eat at the dash. Langar, LANGAR, Langar. Okay. Now third one, Christmas celebrates the birthday of dash. Jesus Christ, JESUSCHRIST, Christ, Jesus Christ. Okay. Now fourth one, the Parsi New Year is called Nowruz, Nowruz. Okay. Now for sixth one, Republic Day in India is celebrated on 26 January. Is that clear? Now come to the next. Choose the correct option. So first, each questions of 2 options and 3 options. So choose one option is right. So first one, on Diwali people. On Diwali people. Okay students. Option number A, never burst crackers, decorate their house with lights, celebrate the birthday of Gandhi. So choose the correct option, decorate their house with lights. Okay students. Now second one, Christmas is celebrated on 26th December, 25th December and 31st December. Do you know students, Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Option number B is right answer. Now third one, Jains celebrate the birthday of Buddha, Mahavira and Christ. B is right answer, Mahavira. 15 August is celebrated in India's Okay, so 15 August in celebrate in India. Option number A, Independence Day, B, Republic Day, and C, Gandhi Jayanti. Do you know, students? So right answer is A, Independence Day. Okay. Now come to the next exercise. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. So question number 1. Describe how Ravi and his family celebrate Diwali. The answer is Ravi and his family decorated their houses with lights and diyas. They wear new clothes and share sweets and pray to the goddess Lakshmi. Okay? Now second one, how to Salima and her family celebrate Eid. Salima and her family go to the mosque to pray and greet everyone with Eid Mubarak, to give money, food, clothes to needy. Once again repeated. Salima and her family go to mosque to pray and greet everyone with Eid Mubarak, to give money, food, clothes to needy. Is that clear? Question number 3. What do Sikh do on Guru Parv? What do Sikh do on Guru Parv? They go to Guru Parv and take part in precaution and enjoy the langar. They go to Guru Parv and take part in precaution and enjoy the langar. Is that clear? Now question number 4. Question number 4. Name the 3 national day of India. First one, Independence Day. Second one, Republic Day. And third one, Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, students. Now question number 4. Once again, question number 4. Name the 3 national day of India. The answer is first one, Independence Day. Second one, Republic Day. And third one, Gandhi Jayanti. Now question number 5. On which day do we celebrate Republic Day and Independence Day? How do we celebrate them? The answer, we celebrate Republic Day and Independence Day on 26th January and 15th August. We host the national flag and sing the national anthem on the day. Once again repeated. We celebrate Republic Day and Independence Day on 26th January and 15 August. We host the national flag and sing the national anthem on this day. Now question number 6. Whose birthday do we celebrate on A, Gandhi Jayanti, B, Teachers Day, and C, Children's Day? Do you know, students? The answer is Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi. Teachers Day, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. And Children's Day, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, students? If you did not completed it at the so please complete this exercise in your book and practice it. Okay, students? Thank you. Bye and take care. Thank you for watching this my video. Okay, students?